Hey there, science fans. Today we're diving into the world of self-organizing networks, or SUNs for short. Imagine a network so smart it practically runs itself. That's the magic of SUNs. SUNs are like having a team of expert engineers working behind the scenes 24/7. They take care of all the complicated stuff so you don't have to. No more manual configurations or troubleshooting headaches. With SUNs, your network can automatically configure itself, optimize its performance, heal itself from problems, and even protect itself from threats. It's like magic, but real. Remember the days of struggling with cables and settings just to get your devices online? It was a nightmare. Those days are over with self-configuration. Self-configuration is like having your network set itself up, effortlessly. You just plug in your devices and the SUN takes care of the rest. It's like magic. The SUN automatically assigns IP addresses, configures security settings, and optimizes network parameters seamlessly. You don't have to lift a finger. This means faster deployments, fewer errors, and more time to focus on what matters most to you. Just like a juggler keeps all the balls in the air, self-optimization ensures your network is always running at its best. It's all about finding the perfect balance. SUNs constantly monitor network traffic and performance. They can automatically adjust parameters like power levels, channel assignments, and data rates to optimize the user experience. This means faster download speeds, smoother streaming, and fewer dropped calls. And the best part, it all happens behind the scenes, so you can sit back and enjoy the seamless connectivity. Let's face it, things can go wrong with technology, and it can be really frustrating, but with self-healing capabilities, your network can bounce back from setbacks faster than ever before. SUNs are designed to detect, diagnose, and resolve network problems automatically. They can reroute traffic, adjust power levels, or even switch to backup equipment to keep you connected. This means less downtime, fewer service interruptions, and happier users overall. It's like having a team of network doctors on call 24/7, ready to assist. Section 5, Self-Protection, shielding your network from harm. In today's digital world, security is more important than ever. Self-protection helps shield your network from a wide range of threats. SUNs can detect and prevent security breaches by monitoring network traffic for suspicious activity. They can block unauthorized access, quarantine infected devices, and even alert administrators to potential threats. This proactive approach to security helps keep your data safe and your network secure, so you can connect with confidence, knowing that your network is always protected. Section 6, SUNs versus traditional networks. Out with the old, in with the smart. Traditional networks are like old-fashioned cars. They need constant manual effort. Engineers must frequently intervene, making it cumbersome and inefficient. SUNs are like self-driving cars, automated and efficient. They adapt in real time, optimizing performance without human intervention. Traditional networks require skilled engineers for manual configuration and troubleshooting, which is time-consuming and stressful. This manual approach can lead to errors, causing network downtime and high costs. SUNs automate tasks, predict issues, and enhance reliability, saving time and resources. They continuously learn and improve, ensuring the network meets future demands. Section 7, Types of SUNs: distributed, centralized, and hybrid. Just like there are different types of cars for different needs, there are different types of SUNs. Let's break them down. Distributed SUNs. These are like a fleet of self-driving cars, each operating independently but communicating with each other. Imagine a city where every car is autonomous, making decisions on its own, but still sharing information with other cars to avoid accidents and optimize traffic flow. This type of SUN is highly scalable, meaning it can grow and adapt as the network expands. They're highly scalable and resilient, but can be complex to manage. The complexity arises because each node in the network needs to be intelligent and capable of making decisions. This requires sophisticated algorithms and robust communication protocols to ensure everything runs smoothly. Centralized SUNs. These are like a central control center that manages all the network elements. Think of it as an air traffic control system for your network, where a single entity has a comprehensive view and makes decisions for the entire network. They're simpler to manage but can be a single point of failure. If the central controller goes down, the entire network can be affected. However, the advantage is that it simplifies the management and coordination of the network elements, making it easier to implement policies and updates. Hybrid Sun. These combine the best of both worlds, using a centralized controller for some functions and distributed intelligence for others. Imagine a scenario where the central controller handles high-level decisions and coordination, while individual nodes manage local optimizations and real-time responses. The best type of Sun for you will depend on your specific needs and network architecture. For instance, a large, complex network might benefit from a hybrid approach, while a smaller, more straightforward network could be efficiently managed with a centralized Sun. Ultimately, the choice will depend on factors like scalability, resilience, and ease of management. Section 8. The future is self-organizing, Suns in private LTE and 5G networks. The future of networking is self-organizing, and Suns are leading the charge. By automating the configuration, optimization, and management of mobile networks, Suns ensure high performance and reliability. They're ideal for private LTE and 5G networks, which need high performance and security. As more devices connect, Suns keep networks running efficiently. Suns improve coverage and capacity by dynamically adjusting network parameters, ensuring strong connections even in dense urban areas. They optimize resources to reduce latency and jitter, crucial for real-time applications like video streaming and remote surgery. Suns enhance security and resilience by detecting and responding to threats, ensuring business continuity. With Suns, we can create smarter, more efficient and reliable networks. Imagine a world where devices are always connected and networks heal themselves. That's the promise of self-organizing networks shaping the future of connectivity. The journey has just begun and the potential is limitless.